one car right there, two cars, and myself. I paid 9 something for the whole day. I'm not going to stay here all day, but might as well I don't know how long it's gonna take me, so I decided to just pay a full day. But I think the hour is only like $1, maybe not even $2. So alright, so after finding parking, let's enjoy this day. I'm super excited, guys. I'm about to take a walk on the Golden Gate Bridge here in San Francisco, California. I'm super excited, and yeah, so come along with me. Hope I don't get run over. And let's get some great views and amazing photos. So the reason why I started my video showing you the parking lot is because I was literally driving around this little parking lot for like 10-15 minutes waiting for somebody to leave. Nobody would leave, and there was like a bunch of cars. It was very chaotic, so I decided to drive away. Not even half a mile down there, there's the parking lot that I showed you in the beginning. So if you make it down here and it's your first time and you don't know about the parking lot, just go there. There's nobody out there. So let's start the walk. It's going to be almost 4 miles back and forth, 3.7 miles. But it's gonna be super easy because there's no elevation. It's just a walk, so it's not really a hike. Let's do this. The 1.7 mile long Golden Gate Bridge, an icon of the San Francisco Bay region, connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County, California. Did you know that the orange color of the bridge was only intended as a primer? But when the steel arrived in San Francisco painted in this color, a consulting architect decided that the color was highly visible and pleasing to the eye. In 1937, to cross the Golden Gate Bridge would cost you 50 cents each way. The best way to see the Golden Gate Bridge is walking along the pedestrian walkway. The pedestrian walkway is on the east side of the bridge, and it's open only during daylight. I think I mentioned before that the bridge is 1.7 miles long. It took me about 35 minutes each way to complete this walk. And now I'm off to my next destination, Yosemite National Park. See you soon.